Namaskar, I am Assam. My capital is Dispur, famous for tea and plants.
I am Jammu. My capital is Srinagar, famous for Himalaya. Shri Krishna, I am Gujarat. My capital is Gandhinagar, famous for diamonds. My state is Rajasthan. My capital is Jaipur. Pink is the top of India. Odisha. My capital is Bhubaneswar. It is famous for temples. Thank you. Namaskar. My state is Andhra Pradesh. My capital is Amaravati. It is famous for Lord Balaji Temple. Shubhashri. I am Karnataka. My capital is I am famous for information technology expert. Thank you.
చెప్పింటే చేసి తెచ్చిరా అంటే తెచ్చిచ్చింది
My capital is Chandigarh. It is famous for it is first brand new city of India. Chibai. I am Nicola. My capital is famous for jungles. My capital is Shimla. It is famous for honey. My name is Bihar. My capital is Patna. I am fastest growing city in the country. My name is Natal and my capital is also called Kiruma.
Sujata?
Bharataka. I am This is the home of Bharatanatyam. Namaste.
ఏంటండి
Famous for tourism. Thank you.
ఏముంది ఎగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి లోబియా ఉంది
Shillong, famous for wildlife forest. Anna, my capital is Hyderabad, famous for India, famous for peace. Namaskar, I am Uttarakhand. My capital is Dehradun. I am famous for boarding schools. Puducherry, my capital is Imphal. It is famous for forest. My name is Chhattisgarh. My capital is Raipur. It is famous for cave.
इतना बड़ा बोर्ड नहीं में यार नहीं कटोरी है स्टील की जो नहीं
Am I audible?
One second. Namaskaram. I am Kerala. My capital is Thiruvananthapuram. I am famous for Kathakali dance. Tourist attraction. Ma'am,
No.
starting with song. Now we are going to sing song. Song name is Hai Watan.
रिपब्लिक डे के लिए
हाँ?
रिपब्लिक डे पर बच्चों को करना ना, बच्चों को कराए, बच्चों को कराए,
Now we are going to
कर
sing.
रिकॉर्ड कर दो।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे,
स्कूल चल रही, स्कूल चल रही, चल रही, मतलब गर्म स्कूल जैसा नहीं है,
मेरे आबाद
मेरा बच्चा कुछ सिखा देना,
वतन
एक्टिविटी उनको बाद में काम आए लाइफ में, ऐसा
आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे
पूरा
आबाद,
वंदे जो कराते वही
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे
वो
तू,
इसके फाउंडर है।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद
जनवरी में जो
रहे
एक्स्ट्रा पैसा आते हैं ना,
ए वतन
थोड़ा पैसा तो सब में जाता है, खर्चे भी लगते हैं ना, थोड़ा अच्छा कॉस्ट जाता है।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आन नहीं दूं, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Thank you.
That was a lovely, wonderful song sung by our Reach Beyond children, isn't it? Now, one more performance by our children regarding the flag. Hope you all are enjoying our virtual Independence Day celebrations.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that was a sub-juniors performance, though are newly joined in our center. So they are also participated in this program. Now, our juniors are coming with a dance performance.
वो लोग दिखा रहे हैं ना, आप वो लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं आप लोगों को।
कौन अच्छी है? अभी ये मतलब सब ये मतलब
जालना
हैंगर के नहीं
Wow, that's a lovely performance by our juniors. Lot of energy, lot of enthusiasm in participating of Independence Day celebrations, isn't it? Now we are moving to the seniors performance.
The songs have been choreographed by the children themselves.
సంవత్సరం పైన లోపల పెట్టి
There is नहीं आ रहा मम्मी,
आ रहा है, साउंड नहीं आ रहा।
वीडियो नहीं चल रहा बराबर ना।
सब लिख रहे हैं ना, साउंड नहीं आ रहा है, कोई कुछ लिख रहा है, कोई कुछ।
चैट में लिख रहे
कब आ रही स्वाति? अभी अरुण जी आएंगे, उसके बाद आएंगे। कितनी लेट आएगी? इतनी देर से आएगी, फिर अरुण जी आने के बाद आएगी। क्या अरुण जी वक्त जाती नहीं क्या कहीं भी? थोड़ी देर के लिए तो आ सकती है ना। हाँ, थोड़ी देर के लिए आ सकती है।
उसे करना है।
इधर आओ, लेकिन आवाज नहीं है। अरे बस अच्छा था।
Yeah, welcome back to our celebrations of virtual Independence Day. The children are very enthusiastically performed in the celebrations. No, they themselves choreographed for these celebrations. There is no other teacher guided for them. Seniors and juniors are each other like peers helping together. They are not having a single day of choreographers
वैसे सिखाने जाना को तो मेरे भी सिखाने जाना पड़ता है।
manifestation.
खुद ही कर लिए बच्चे लोग।
नहीं है, जो कुछ सिखाना अपन बोलते हैं।
एक दो चीज सिखाना है तो दो
All
दिन
the
जाना,
things are done
एक दिन में बता देते ना लोग।
time. They practice it very well for the
extra work.
program for the dance, not only the states and capitals and the flag and the importance of Independence Day.
कुछ तो बोलो,
They are very enthusiastic to celebrate virtually also.
Conroe Club will not find out.
ग्लो का
Hope all of you enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am. We couldn't hear actually the last part of the dance. We could see, but we couldn't hear the sound.
Oh no. Okay, ma'am. It's a link we will share in the group also.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay, we will share all the programs in the group. Okay, ma'am. Now ma'am will talk.
लोग नहीं आते ना अभी।
कौन है यार?
ममता। हाँ, क्या है? माया का।
क्या बनाया था?
चॉकलेट बूंदी।
चॉकलेट बूंदी। किसे ट्राई करते लोग? हाँ।
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी जयश्री। आपकी आवाज नहीं है, वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा।
I'm sorry. Yes, now can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Just want to
Very
say
nice program.
that, yeah, I hope all of you enjoyed it. They really enjoyed performing for you and they're looking forward to your support in any which way you can. Because most of you have supported the toy bank, so they were so excited to show you the our toy bank library.
हम लोग समझाना जानते हैं।
Thank you all and tell you that more things can be done.
Very nice program और thank जयश्री, आपको बहुत बहुत श्रेय जाता है इसका।
Thank you. All the effort is from the committee. I hand over to Ekta.
Hi friends, good evening. On behalf of GLOW, I thank Reach Beyond and its team for putting up such a lovely program. And thanking Jayashri, Shobha, Anita, Geeta and Rosemary and the Reach Beyond children for putting in so much hard work and dedication. The Independence Day program was just amazing and we really enjoyed ourselves. Thanks.
We will end the meeting with Jana Gana Mana. We'll go there with the children. All the children are waiting. Come.
Jana Gana Mana से
Yeah.
అట్లా పెట్టండి.
क्योंकि चल रहा है लोग बच्चों को बुला के कराए
Thank you.